That above my head is one of the spiral arms of a Category 4 hurricane that's kind of broken off into a really gross storm. I understand taking that turn very slowly in a Mustang. That shit's sketchy. Mustangs like to wheel walk. They like to wheel walk right into everything they're not supposed to walk into. I haven't worn rain gear in a hot little minute. I feel like a big old firefly. I am gonna stop and get some gas though, because I don't want to have to do this when I'm in a hurry to get somewhere, you know? Like, I'm not in any particular rush right now. Let me go all the way over here. I gotta get under my seat before I get to my fuel tank. Oh. Gases went up a touch. It's funny. My gas mileage always goes up on rainy days because I'm pushing way less hard. God, what ugly ass fucking weather. The poop catitude. I fuck with it. Autism awareness. Bitch, I'm right here. What you gotta be aware about? Why don't you wash your scooter, Izzy? Why don't you ever wash it? People ask me all the time. Because it constantly does this shit. And when it's not doing this, I've got stuff to do. Did y'all hear about the fucking Diddy indictment? I read the whole thing. Like, I don't know what it is about, like, guys who get to be producers and shit. That doesn't look safe. Who get to be producers and shit, and then they just think they can do anything. I don't know what's going on with that. The man put GHB in the fucking baby oil. That's why there were 1,000 bottles of it. Wild stuff. Look, it's the craziest true bill I think I've ever seen, and I've seen a few of them. I come from a family of felons. We scooped back onto the seat a bit. So toasty. I hate rain gear. It's days like this, it makes me wish I kind of had a car. Like a smart car or Mitsubishi Mirage, something like that. Nothing crazy. Maybe like an old fucking Buick or something. I'll throw a trailer hitch on. Can you imagine me popping up at the Home Depot with a flatbed trailer on my fucking Buick LeSabre like it's an old Datsun? I used to have a Buick Century. It was a good car. It had problems, but everything gets problems. That's part of owning a vehicle. If public transit were a more available thing in my area, I would absolutely use it. But like on days like this especially, but if it was nice out, no, fuck that. Like, I've seen public transit in other countries and it's very nice. It is not that case in the United States. Our public transit looks like a horror movie set. That's the problem about riding in the rain. I feel like I need to maintain these very sedate lines. I know I've got more traction than I act like, but I don't like to tempt fate. It is a-okay. I'm gonna try and cut back on drinking again. Like, it's not a problem, I just don't want to, you know? It takes me 3 days to kill a 6-pack at like my fastest. So like I'm not aiming to go for like a 5th of Jameson or something just yet. What are we doing? What are we doing? But yeah, like, I'm not aiming for a 5th of Jameson. I don't know, like, there's a part of me that likes it, and there's another part of me that's like, this kind of sucks. Like, it's great at first, the little buzzy buzz you get from it, and then, like, you know, then after that, it just kind of goes all downhill from there. Oh, hello. Please make your turn faster than the other people who live here do. Thank you. Why are you still behind me? What is your deal? Go around. I keep looking at Papa John's, but Pizza Hut is right there. I like Pizza Hut. But there's a Domino's. It's like right up the road from the house. And I'm like, maybe. I like Domino's. I like Domino's the best out of those three. But Little Caesars, I think, goes the hardest. Hey, it looks like they figured it out. Proud of them. Proud of you, bestie. I like how neon I am when it rains. I look like a firefly with little pink peaks. I love lightning bugs. I haven't seen them in a while though. I saw them for about a month. Not even a month, a couple of weeks about 2 months ago, and then don't know, I see less and less of them every year. I'm sure there are more of them in other places. I just live in the fucking suburbs where everything is dead or dying. If I lived out in the middle of bumfuck, I'd probably see a ton of them. But like, also, I don't want to be an hour from everything. I don't like living out that far. I've done it before. It's cheap. But like what you make up for in cost of living is like kind of eaten up by gas. Did you know there's a mudang, like the little hippo mudang? They got her a live stream from that zoo. It's kind of janky, but I like it. Like she's such an icon. You love mudang. Am I saying that right? Mudang? Muding? Mudeng? I don't know. I've heard everybody say it mudang, but I'm also American, so like chances are we're saying it wrong. It's not like the hippo cares. Not only that, but she's a little bean. We love little beans on this channel. I'm very low-key today. I'm not being a hooligan in this. I'm not brave enough. This is my only mode of transportation, so in inclement weather, I take it easy or just don't go nowhere. Like if I gotta be somewhere, I'll go, but if it's doing this, I don't normally. But I got the stuff to do it with, so I guess that's fine. Like, comment, and subscribe! Like, comment, and subscribe! Like, comment, and subscribe!